Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Umkoka on Monday, breakthroughs and bondages. Through stubbornness mixed with tenacity, Mabusi is finally able to become a hero. A loving father compromises himself for the love of his family. On Tuesday, the end of an era, a gang who Manzimande hunts down her husband's killer. Madondo has a tough decision to make about Sibahle's future. Mamzobe feels the lashes whipped on Mzobe's body. On Wednesday, opened the store. Mamzobe is faced with a painful decision. Will Manzimande be swayed? A conflicted father has to overcome many obstacles in order to achieve his mission. On Thursday, Manzimande gives Mamzobe a taste of her own poison. Diva exposed for lying to the church. Ndlovu has no powers to stop Sibahle's lobola. On Friday to Beta and series finale, the Mtembus and Gumetas bury the hatchet and have a reconciliation lunch, but the enemy number one returns to shatter everything, and Sibahle's Lobola goes well until Ndlovu happens. Thank you guys for watching.